This video shows you how to use fava beans, known as ful in Arabic, to make bosh, a delicious traditional dish popular in Sudan, Egypt, and other Arab or Mediterranean countries. First, we're going to chop up the vegetables. I've kept it simple and added some typical and popular ingredients, as you could see in the video. These are spring onion, red peppers, tomatoes, olives, feta cheese, and Tamiya, which is also known as Falafel. You can add as much or as little as you like of each. Add boiling water to the pot, then the ful or fava beans, and let the water boil. I added the Tamiya here, and some of the peppers fell in too. You can add these later on if you don't want them to cook with the ful, but this doesn't make a big difference in the end. Once the water has boiled and the beans are soft, you can add some of the spices. We mixed curry powder, cumin powder, salt, and some chilli powder. Next, add some olive or sesame oil and add all the remaining ingredients and mix in no particular order. We added a chili pepper, the veggies we chopped up earlier, 1 large tablespoon of peanut butter, about 1 cup of hot water, 5 pieces of toasted brown pitta bread that we cut up into bite-sized pieces. Any bread should be fine though. And we also sprinkled some lime juice. Switch off the heat since everything should be cooked. Finally, when everything's been mixed up, it's ready to serve. Top it off by sprinkling some olive oil or sesame oil, cumin powder, and salt or pepper to your preference. As a bonus note, I like to eat it with dekwa, which is a traditional homemade peanut butter based sauce with onion and tomato. You can eat it on its own or with any other salad, whatever you prefer. It's traditionally a breakfast or lunch meal, but to be honest, I like to have it whenever. And this is how you make bosh. I hope you enjoyed it and thanks for watching.